बेकरारो सुनो दिल फिगारो सुनो, बेकरारो सुनो दिल फिगारो सुनो, आ गए मुस्तफा मरहबा मरहबा।
Saudi Islamist publisher Maktabatul Madina's published book Sirat-e-Mustafa, consisting of 873 pages, states on page 81, with the reference of Mudarijun Nubuwah, Hazrat Sayyidah Halima radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, the cradle of the noble Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam used to be swung by angels. When he used to raise his finger, signaling towards the moon, in his babyhood, the moon used to move to and fro, according to the signals of his fingers.
चांद झुक जाता जिधर उंगली उठाते महद में, क्या ही चलता था इशारों पर खिलौना नूर का।
बेकरार